Welcome to Unit 6, Section 6, Lesson 1, Video 4, Word Problem. We're going to look at a word problem in this video, the pizza problem. So Poppy's Pizza sells a large cheese pizza for $7, plus they charge $3 per topping. Write an equation to represent how much a pizza costs for n toppings. So we notice up here that we are charged $3 per topping plus a base rate or a base fee or a base cost of $7. In this example, the equation would be C, which is cost, equals 3n, which is $3 per topping, plus 7. You'll notice in this equation we're not using x's and y's, but we're using C and n. C represents cost, and n represents the number of toppings. And we're going to create a table of values for this equation. N is going to be in our first column, and cost is going to be the output. So we're going to substitute each n value into the equation to determine what the cost would be. So first, if you buy a pizza with 0 toppings, you substitute 0 in, and 3 times 0 is 0. 0 plus 7 equals 7. So you're still going to pay $7 for a basic cheese pizza with no toppings. If we get 1 topping, we substitute 1 into the equation. 3 times 1 is 3, and 3 plus 7 is 10. It would cost $10 to get a pizza with 1 topping. One more example, if we substitute 2 into the equation, we get 3 times 2, which is 6, and 6 plus 7 is 13. So a 2-topping pizza costs $13. Continuing the pattern, we can see that we're increasing by 3 each time. So a 3-topping pizza would simply cost $16. Write the ordered pair for 3 toppings. Let's look at our table again. And we can see that when n equals 3, c equals 16. So the ordered pair is simply 3, 16. How much would an 8-topping pizza cost? We start with our equation. And we're going to substitute 8 in place of n, which is the number of toppings. So instead of 3n, we have 3 times 8. 3 times 8 is 24, and 24 plus 7 is $31. So it would cost $31 to buy an 8-topping pizza. Final question, how many toppings can you get for $40? Well, in this case, we need to substitute the 40 in place of c, which is our cost. And we're going to solve for n by isolating the variable. The first thing we want to get rid of is the plus 7. So we're going to subtract 7 from each side of the equation. 40 subtract 7 is 33. And 7 subtract 7 on the right-hand side is 0. So we're just left with 3n. The opposite of multiply by 3 is to divide by 3. So we divide both sides of the equation by 3. On the right-hand side, the 3's cancel. And 33 divided by 3 equals 11. So for $40, you could buy a pizza with 11 toppings. Please proceed to the activities for Lesson 1.